Today's question is, tropospheric propagation of microwave signals often occurs along what weather-related structure? Is it the gray line, lightning discharges, warm and cold fronts, or sprites and jets? The correct answer is warm and cold fronts. Love. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verses 4 through 8.